So first of all, we will do some MCQs, because MCQs, as I always told you, this very important part of your question paper. I just want to, or I want you to check yourself that how much you took interest in the story My Childhood. I showed you the documentary based on his life. We discussed about some of his important quotations and sayings. Then we had a good discussion about Abdul Kalam's life. So you have a good information now. Today we will start our class with this MCQs. First of all, we will solve some MCQs. I want all of you to just use your memory power, that how much you remember about the story. It's not like a test or something, so don't get worried. I simply want you to be honest with your answer, so that you will also be able to judge yourself that how much you took interest in the class, how much you can keep in your memory. So after MCQ, we will be discussing subjective question answers, and that is because for Sunday test, we have decided the portion for Sunday test will be the same chapter, My Childhood. Okay. So that we are going to do today. Tomorrow, first of all, Happy Prince, the last one chapter from Moments is left, where I will show you one small animated movie based on Happy Prince. Thereafter, I will also tell you about the writer, because some interesting facts are there which I definitely want to share with you. And thereafter, we will read the sweet and the happy story of Happy Prince. But before that, let's do some MCQ. I hope all of you have entered into the classroom. If you have any query, any question, you can ask me now. Anyone? Did you get the story nicely? Did you understand the entire story, My Childhood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so you have no problem,
Yes,
no
ma'am.
queries? Fine.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
so just close your book. First of all, do one thing, close your books. I just want to trust you, because I'm not going to judge you on the basis of these marks. Fine, children? I want to see that how much interest you took in the previous classes. Fine? Close your books. Is it closed? May I trust you?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
I actually
Yes,
trust
ma'am.
you.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now, okay, fine. Now, take a pen and paper. Copy, rough copy, or maybe English copy, separate copy. Okay. Yes, Om Kumar, I will send the new syllabus. I already sent it on the WhatsApp group. Again, I will send it. Don't worry. Right after the class. So now you are sitting with your pen and paper. Books are closed.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
just
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to share a screen where you will see some questions of MCQ. I want all of you to use your memory power and to answer it. No need to worry. You are not going to be judged or marked on this basis. It is a kind of practice, or you can say a surprise MCQ test. Why? Because I want to see that those who were present in the previous classes, how much interest they took in the class. Okay. So it's just like to check yourself, है ना? Check yourself. Ready? All of you have entered. If you have to say something, please do tell me. Anything, any query, any question? Nothing? चलो तो ठीक है. Let's not waste time. I hope you all have joined. Okay. So just wait for 1 minute. Screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good, very good, very good. So come on. Now quickly answer the questions. You will not speak anything, you will not write anything in the chat box. Simply write all the correct answers in your copy, because once you will be done with this, then we are going to check this.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Yeah, okay. You wait. I will.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Finished?
Done, ma'am.
No problem anywhere?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. Okay, let me see and check yourself. Okay, children, be honest because as I told you, I'm not going to judge you on the basis of these answers. I simply wanted to see how much interest you took in the class, previous class. Okay. Now, when did Kalam become India's 11th president?
Option D, 2002.
Option D, 2002.
Chalo, take correct answer. Where did Kalam talk about his childhood?
Option A, in his
Option A,
autobiography, Wings of Fire.
Say in his autobiography, Wings of Fire.
Very good, very good, very good. So once again, one more mark. In his autobiography, Wings of Fire. Where was Kalam born?
Option A,
Option A,
Rameshwaram, Madras State.
Easy questions.
State.
No, but still happy to see that you all remember. From where has his chapter My Childhood been taken?
Option B, from Professor APJ.
Professor APJ Abdul Kalam.
Very easy question.
Kalam's book,
Almost same
Wings of
question.
Fire.
Very good. What does Professor Kalam talk about in his book Wings of Fire?
Option D, all. Option D, all.
Yes, very good, very good. Not only so, be careful, children. Whenever you will get options like this, don't be in hurry. That okay, yeah, I remember. Since the story says my childhood, that means he simply talked about his childhood experience. No, he talked about his childhood experiences, his parents, his friends. That means option D, all. Very good. Who influenced Professor Kalam?
Option C,
Option A, his
Option
society
C, his
principal.
father.
Option
C, his father.
Although everyone played a very important role in his family, vital role in his family, obviously, in his life, in his upbringing, his society, his friends, but obviously his father played a vital role. So option C. What did Kalam's father teach him?
Option B, honesty and
Option B, honesty
Chalo, this
and
was a
sense.
clear answer. ये तो एकदम clear answer था because rest of the options are negative. But you know, sometimes what will happen? They will ask you, what did Kalam's father teach him? तो कोई लिखेगा मान लो hard work, then determination, then third option will be something like that. Honesty तो सही हो जाएगा. Hard work, determination, and something else. And then in there it will be a little confusing. Okay, children. So honesty and self-defense. So you have to keep that exact worked in your mind. What did Kalam gain from Wings of Fire?
Option A, the great values.
Option A, the great values
and society.
Again, this was a clear sweep. Clear sweep. Okay, very good. What is the theme of the story, My Childhood?
Option D, society, environment, and
Option D,
childhood
society, environment, childhood experiences.
Very good. Again, a clear answer. Society, environment, and childhood experiences shape one's life. So, my dear children, learn this thing for that in your childhood, you are still, I know you are teenagers now, but still society, environment, your experiences, whatever you are gaining. So when you are coming to this class, I can see children are leaving the class. I don't know why. So this is not good thing. What is the message of this lesson?
Option A, mutual trust, peace and harmony are a must for a society to be happy and grow dynamically.
Very good. Mutual trust, peace. You all know the meaning of peace. Harmony, you all know, are the must for a society to be happy and grow dynamically. Okay. What is essential for all-round growth according to the lesson?
Option D, all. Option D, all.
So you know the meaning of tolerance. Who will tell
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
What is the meaning
To
of tolerance?
tolerate.
To tolerate. What tolerance? What type of tolerance is he talking about?
To give equal status.
And religious tolerance, communal tolerance. No, he's also talking about being a Muslim, that you have to be a little tolerant. Not only you can survive in a secular country like India. Very good. What can resolve the hindrances? Hindrances, you know? Hindrances. Who will tell me the meaning of hindrance? Or you simply
Obstacles.
Yes, very good. Obstacles, mutual trust and ease of communication, wings of fire. So, what can resolve the hindrances in the way of growth?
Option A,
Option
mutual
B,
trust and
Okay,
ease of
very good.
communication.
Very good. In what sense was Kalam's childhood secure?
Option D, all.
Option D, all.
Option D, all.
Very good, very good. He was getting all the necessities, parents' love and support, society. Yes, society was also very nice. You cannot say, you cannot deny this fact. What does material security means in the lesson?
Option A,
All the
Option A,
basic
all the
necessities
basic
of life.
necessities of
Yes,
life.
so materialistic thing, whenever we talk about materialistic thing, that means we are talking about the luxuries or the necessities you need and require in your life. Okay? What does emotional security mean?
Option D, love and
Control
Option D,
over
love and
love and
care
care
emotions.
to
to lead a
Okay.
stress-free life.
Yes, basically. So you can get money from anyone, everyone, but love and care you will always get whenever you are in that kind of environment. Who gave emotional and material security to Kalam?
Option D,
his
his
parents.
parents. Option D, his
Option D,
parents.
his
Very good,
parents.
very
Parents.
good. Which seeds did Kalam collecting during the second war?
Option B,
Tamarind
Tamarind
seed.
Option B.
So why? Do you know, did you Googled about it? Why tamarind is used in World War II? My dear children, did you
No, ma'am.
that's the thing, na? You should always try to find out. I found out, so I would like to share. During Second World War, you know, tamarind seeds were ground down, roasted to make tamarind kernel powder. Why? Which was used as a sizing agent for textile like jute and cotton. And one more important reason, these tamarind seeds were also used as a major fuel for producer gas units that powered Indian cars and trucks during World War II. Major fuel for producer gas, okay? So, my dear children, try to be inquisitive. Whenever you are actually reading something, try to find out. Why did Kalam collect tamarind seeds?
Option
Option
C,
To
to
earn
earn
Option
good
good
money.
C.
money.
To earn good
Good,
money.
good, very good. Where did Kalam sell seeds?
Option
Option
D,
D,
to
to
provide
provide
them
them
to
to
the store on a
To
mosque.
provide them to a
Very good,
provision
very good,
store.
very good. How much money did Kalam earn after selling seeds?
One Anna. Option C.
Option
Option
C,
C,
1
1
Anna.
Anna.
Okay,
Option
very
C.
good, one Anna, very good, very good. What kind of a person was Kalam as a child?
Option A,
Option A, enterprising and
enterprising and
hardworking.
hardworking.
What do you
Enterprising
mean
and
by
hardworking.
enterprising? Who will tell me? Hmm? What do you mean by enterprising? No one. Enterprising means, what do you know? That showing the ability to think about new projects, new ways of doing things. Okay, means innovation, innovative mind. Fine? Okay, who was Samsuddin?
Option D,
Option
Kalam's
D,
cousin.
Kalam's cousin.
Kalam's cousin. What did Samsuddin do?
Option
Option
A, distributed newspapers in Rameshwaram.
Chalo, very good, very good. Who helped Kalam in getting his first wages?
His
Option
cousin
D, his
Samsuddin.
cousin
Cousin
Option D,
Samsud.
his
Very
cousin
clear, very
Samsuddin.
clear. Why did Kalam feel sad when he was in 5th standard in an elementary school?
Option C. His
Option
teacher
C,
did
Option
not
C,
let
his
him
teacher
sit
didn't
with
let him sit
Hindu
with his
friend in the
Hindu friend
first
in the
row
first
because he
row
was
because
a
he was a
boy.
Muslim.
because he was a
Very
Muslim.
good, very good. So you remember the story. I'm so happy. These 1920 children. Who was Kalam's close friend?
Ramadhara
Option
Option A,
A,
Shastri.
Ramanatha
Ramanatha
Shastri.
Shastri.
Ramanatha
A.
Sastri.
Ravanda
Why did
Shastri.
the teacher separate Kalam from his friend?
Option
Option
D,
D,
because of
Because
his
because
of
of
own
his
his
notion
own
of
own
notion
social
social
of
ranking,
ranking,
social
religious
religious
discrimination.
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 Children, this episode is going to be very important for your exam also. The entire episode, what happened, why he thought, why he separated him from his friend, then what happened next. Okay, you will remember the entire thing. Okay? What kind of person was Siva Subramania? Who was Siva Subramania?
Option D. All. A
Option D.
teacher
Option
of
D.
the Dr. Kalam.
Hmm.
Science
Uh,
teacher.
do you think he was an Orthodox Brahmin?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't think. Orthodox,
Ma'am, the
he
answer
was.
must be option
See,
C.
yes, I don't believe this. This is the incorrect option. Orthodox, yeah, he was born in an Orthodox Tamil Brahmin family, but he was calm and generous. But the best option is believed in equality and wanted to bring reforms in the society. So D is not the correct answer. Maybe B is also close to the correct answer. But see, my dear children, ये maths नहीं है. Maths में exact answer will the correct answer, but this is your literature. So out of 4 options, you have to select the best one. So calm and generous is also good, but Orthodox Brahmin is wrong. He was born, he was the part of that Orthodox Brahmin family, but he believed in equality and wanted to bring reform. So I think I will go with option C. I will award you marks for option C. Why did Siva Subramania serve Kalam himself and sat with him to eat?
To avoid any
Option A,
disturbance
to
because of
avoid any
biased
Option
disturbance
C.
behavior of
because of
his
biased behavior of his
wife.
conservative wife
Very,
and to
very
Option
show
A.
good, very
equal
good.
respect.
Very good. Clear answer. What kind of person was Kalam's father?
Option D, all.
Option D.
Option D.
All.
All.
Do you think he was dynamic? Chalo, theek hai, we will go with this. Who spoke Khalil Gibran's words? Your children are
Option
not.
C. Kalam's
Option C.
father.
Kalam's
Kalam's
father.
father.
That's true.
Option
What did Kalam think and say about his parents?
Option
Option
D.
C.
All. Option
Yeah,
D.
yeah,
All.
yes, yes. He
Option
has a
D, all.
lot of respect for his parents. And yes, why did Kalam's father say Khalil Gibran's words, your children are not?
Option B. To ask
Option
his
B, to
father
ask
not
his
to
wife
stop
not to
their
stop their
son
young son
from
from
going
going
out.
out.
Very good, very good, very good. Why you were hesitant? Children? Whom did Kalam's father say these words? Your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of life longing for itself.
Option C. To
Option
his
C,
wife.
to his wife.
Clear
His
answer.
father.
Where was Kalam's house?
Option C, on a
Option
mosque.
C. On a
On a
mosque.
mosque.
Again, a clear answer. How did Mr. Ayer change his wife notion? Notion means, you know?
Ma'am, thought.
Nature.
Yes, idea, thought, notion. Very good. So, idea. एक idea जो दुनिया बदल दे. How he changed?
By his own
Option
Option
example
D,
D.
and
by
By
his
his
own
own
behavior.
example
example
and
and his
behavior.
Yes.
behavior.
You would have heard about that proverb, action speak louder than words. So he didn't force her. He, come on, you have to welcome my student. He didn't showed any anger, eyes, showing her eyes or some, his eyes basically. Hota. So his eyes, that is also, or showing, lecturing her, ki listen, no. But he did the action and it had a great impact on the lady. Which word in the lesson means unnecessary?
Option A,
Option A.
inessential.
Option B.
Yes, inessential. So clear. When was Kalam's ancestral house built?
Option
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 C,
C.
in
In
the
the
middle
middle
of
of
19th
19th
century.
century.
Wow, very good. What was Kalam's age during the World War II?
Option D.
Option
Option
D,
D.
8
Yes.
8
years.
years.
Yes, born in 1931 and war broke in 1939. Name 3 friends. बहुत easy answer है.
Option D,
Option
all.
Option D, all.
हाँ,
Option
so
D,
you
all.
have to listen, children. This question may come in your exam also. So याद तो करना पड़ेगा. रामानाथा शास्त्री, Aravindan, Siva Prakashan. Okay. Very good. So now you will tell me that how much you all scored one by one. I will keep on. मैं
Ma'am,
पूछते जा रही
39
हूँ.
out of 40.
Ma'am, 39 out
Where
of
did you?
40.
39 out
अच्छा,
of
ठीक
40.
है. Why did you lose 1 mark?
Ma'am,
In which
question
Orthodox Brahmin.
हाँ, ऑर्थोडॉक्स वहां पे. अच्छा, इसका मतलब है कि ये कहीं आंसर की तो नहीं देख लिया? नो.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, आप दिखाई ही नहीं थी.
Okay, very good. So most of you have got 29 out of 30. Who got 30 out of 30? चलो कोई बात नहीं. That means you took a lot of interest in the story. No, the story was genuinely wonderful. What do you say? You enjoyed it?
Yes,
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And rather, I will tell you that if you will go through the entire Wings of Fire, you are going to, enjoy it thoroughly. Thoroughly means completely, entirely. Wonderful book. I have read Mission 2020, Ignited Minds, Wings of Fire. Okay, all I have read. Now, children, in the next class, I will be, once again, it is going to be wonderful experience for you because we are going to read again a wonderful story. That is The Happy Prince. The Happy Prince. Okay.